everybody. Welcome back to Art Time with Miss M. And this week we have two different versions of the same type of drawing material that we're going to use. The first of which we use fairly often in art class are these. Do you guys remember what these are? Let's hold them a little closer. These are some different colors than we usually use. They're good for blending. They're a little dusty, a little messy. If you don't remember what they're called, I'll give it to you. They're called chalk pastels. You might want to get on a sloppy shirt, roll up your sleeves, and get yourself some paper. Maybe put a little newspaper underneath if you think you're going to make a big mess. And as usual, we hold our paper down. We can make whatever kind of picture we'd like. I can take another one. I can blend those colors with my finger, smush it all around, put it back in its house when I'm done drawing with it, take another color, and draw however I like. If you don't have white paper and you just want to draw on some newspaper and experiment with just blending the colors, you can mix some pink and some green and smear it all around, get your hands nice and dirty. That's perfectly acceptable as well. The other option we have is sidewalk chalk. I've got myself a nice big bucket of sidewalk chalk here, and for part of the video I'm going to be at my table drawing with chalk pastels, and for part of the time I'll be outside coloring with sidewalk chalk. For those of you who don't like to touch chalk, I also have a painting version that I will show you when we're outside, where you soak some sidewalk chalk in water and you use a paintbrush so you don't have to touch it if the feeling of chalk is something that's unsettling to you. So without further ado, let's go to the art table. Alrighty, here we are back at the art table. It's time to get drawing. Get those chalks, get those sleeves rolled up, get a smock on, whatever you need to do, and draw. So you might notice that the next 3 segments of the video are a bit sped up because I figured since I'm showing 3 different versions of what we're doing today, that would be a very, very, very long video. So whether you do 1, 2, or 3 of these doesn't really matter. You can choose whichever ones you want to do, but for the length of the video, I sped them up. This is the picture I have drawn, but I think I'm gonna go switch over to a video of the chalk art that I have done outside. So let's go outside and see what we can do out there.